Data science isn't magic, it's a systematic process. Understanding this workflow helps you manage projects effectively, set realistic expectations, and identify where things can go wrong. Let's walk through each stage of the data science lifecycle. Every successful project starts with a clear problem definition. What business question are we answering? What decisions will this inform? A vague problem leads to useless results. Spend time here. Getting this right is half the battle. Next, we gather the data needed to solve our problem. This might come from internal systems, external providers, web scraping, or surveys. Often, the data you need doesn't exist or isn't accessible. Discovering this early saves tremendous time and effort. Here's the unglamorous reality. Data scientists spend up to 80% of their time cleaning data. Real-world data is messy, missing values, duplicates, inconsistencies, and errors. This tedious but critical work determines the quality of everything that follows. Now comes the exciting part, exploring patterns and building models. We test different algorithms, tune parameters, and validate results. This iterative process requires both technical skill and business intuition to find genuinely useful insights. A model in a notebook creates no value. It must be deployed into production systems. This means integrating with existing workflows, building interfaces, and ensuring reliability. Many promising projects fail at this stage due to technical or organizational barriers. Deployment isn't the end, it's the beginning of ongoing monitoring. Model performance degrades as the world changes. We must track accuracy, retrain with new data, and continuously improve. Data science is a cycle, not a one-time project. The data science workflow moves from problem definition through collection, cleaning, analysis, deployment, and monitoring. It's iterative. Expect to cycle back through stages. Understanding this process helps you plan realistic timelines and allocate resources effectively. Next video, types of business data.